Welcome to Tecnia TV. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar. Today I will deliver lecture on questionnaire survey. What is questionnaire? A questionnaire is a research instrument consisting of a set of questions intended to capture responses from respondents in a standard manner. In general, questionnaire refer to a device for securing answer to questions by using a form which the respondents fills. Questionnaire may be unstructured or structured. Unstructured questionnaire asks respondents to provide a response in their own words, while structured questions ask respondents to select an answer from a given set of choices. Subject responses to individual questions on a structured questionnaire may be aggregated into a composite scale or index for statistical analysis. Now, first one, mail surveys. Most questionnaire surveys tend to self-administer mail surveys where the same questionnaire is mailed to a large number of people and willing respondents can complete the survey at their convenience and return it in a postage prepaid envelope. Mail surveys are advantageous in that they are unobtrusive and they are inexpensive to administer since bulk postage is cheap in most countries. However, response rates from mail questionnaire tend to be quite low since most people tend to ignore survey requests. Second one, that is group administered questionnaire. Here a sample of respondent is brought together at a common place and time and each respondent is asked to complete the survey questionnaire while in that room. Respondents enter their responses independently without interacting with each other. This format is convenient for the researcher and high response rate is assured. Third one, that is online or web survey. A more recent type of questionnaire survey is an online or web survey. These surveys are administered over the internet using interactive forms. Respondent may receive an electronic mail request for participations in the survey with a link to an online website where the survey may be completed. Alternatively, the survey may be embedded into an email and be completed and returned via email. These surveys are very inexpensive to administer. Results are instantly recorded in an online databases and the survey can be easily modified if needed. However, if the survey website is not password protected or designed to prevent multiple submissions, the responses can be easily compromised. Now I am explaining the design of a questionnaire. The design of a questionnaire is an effort of compiling a set of questions consists of three phases. Phase 1, that is the design strategy phase. Phase 2, that is the construction phase, and the phase 3, that is the drafting and refining phase. Now I am explaining the phase 1, that is design strategy phase. Design strategy phase consists of three steps. First one, specify the information sought. Here the researcher must be able to specify the list of information needs. In general, accomplishment of the specification of list of information needs take place when we develop the research proposal or research design in beginning. Hypothesis statement is also the guiding source in stating of information requirement. The second one is the determining the communication approach. It refers to the decisions on the method used to conduct the survey. Decisions on survey methods have great impact on design of the type of questionnaires. The choice of communication approach is influenced by factors like nature of study, locations of respondents, time and funds available, etc. The third one is the select the type of questionnaires. A questionnaire can be of four types: structured, undisguised, unstructured, disguised, unstructured, undisguised, and structured, disguised. In this step, the researcher specifies how the data will be gathered by stating the type of questionnaire required. Now, in phase 2, which is the constructing the questionnaire, a step consists of first one, determine question content. These steps initiate the task of framing a specific question which would yield the data required for study. While framing the questions, it should be keep in mind that whether the question is necessary and complete. Second one, determine the respondent strategy. In this step, researcher has to decide the type of response strategy. First one, a structured response strategy, which is close response using fixed alternative question. Second one, unstructured response strategy, which is open response using open-ended questions. Some of the response strategy are dichotomous questions, multiple questions, checklist questions, scale questions, ranking and rating. Next one is the determine the question's wording. In this step, the researcher is concerned with the phrasing of each question. Here, the researcher should be cautious in framing the question, since a poorly phrased question will either lead to wrong response or result in refusal to answer. Now, I am explaining the phase 3. Phase 3, that is drafting and refining the questionnaire. Here the steps are: first one, decide on question sequence. This step is concerned with the drafting and ordering of questions in questionnaire. Here the researcher should keep in mind the arrangement of questions in logical order. Use simple and interesting questions so that the respondent could feel comfortable with the questionnaire. Classification questions should be asked later. Difficult and sensitive should not be asked right in the beginning of the questionnaire. The other steps in this page is determine the physical characteristics. The physical appearance affects the way respondents react to the questionnaire. Here the researcher should use good quality paper. Size of questionnaire is very important. A small questionnaire is preferred over lengthy one, but it should not be achieved at the expense of appearance. The other steps is the pre-testing the questionnaire. It refers to the process of using a questionnaire on a trial basis on a small group of respondents to determine how the questionnaire is performing. It helps to find out the errors in individual questions along with the sequence of questions. Now I am explaining the advantages of questionnaire. The first one, there is low cost even when the universe is large and is widely spread geographically. Second one, it is free from the bias of the interviewer Answers are in respondents' own words. Third one, respondents have adequate time to give well thought of the answers. There are also certain disadvantages of questionnaire. First one, low rate of return of the duly filled questionnaire. Bias due to no response is often indeterminate. Second one, it can be used only when respondents are educated and cooperating. Third one, the control over questionnaire may be lost once it is sent. Fourth one, there is inbuilt inflexibility because of the difficulty of amending the approach once questionnaires have been dispatched. This is my end of lecture on questionnaire survey. Hope you will find it beneficial. Watch more lecture on research methodology on Tecnia TV. Thanks a lot.